Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add music on Canva app or how to add music to a Canva video. The first thing you will need to do is open Canva. Then for example I'll tap on mobile video. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page, and from here I'll tap on create blank. So I'll simply tap on create blank right here. And to add music, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you have a few options. For example, you could scroll across and tap on uploads. Then from there you could upload an audio track from your device by simply tapping on upload files, or you could tap on audio right there and tap on upload files, and then from there you could tap on choose files. After you have tapped on choose files, you could select the audio track that you would like to upload. So you can select the audio track, for example this one right here where you see recording. I could tap on that to add it. Another thing that you can also do is from the bottom menu option, once more you could pull it to the left. Then from there you could tap on elements. After tapping on elements, in the search bar you could type in the type of music that you would want to add to your track. So for example, let's say I would like to add beach waves. I could simply type that in. Then from the menu option right below the search bar, as you can see right here, you could tap on audio. Then you will see different copyright free background music or overall audio tracks that you could use. Once you have found one to your liking, you can tap on it and it will now be added to your timeline. After you have done that, you will see different editing options that you can apply. For example, beat sync. You can also tap on adjust, and from there you could clip it to whichever section you want. You can adjust the volume. You can also add effects if you want, if you would like it to fade in or out. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.